The blower motor on this air conditioner is going out, so I'm going to replace it.
A quick background. This is our 2014 Toyota Tundra. She has 250,000 miles on her, and she's carried us all over the lower 48. At about 125,000 miles, the blower motor for our climate control started going out, occasionally not wanting to blow, then more frequently, then stopping altogether. So I replaced it and let Alex watch. Recently, those signs started showing up again, and before it goes completely out, we decided it was time to replace it again. But this time, I did more watching and let Alex do more doing.
This is what the new blower motor looks like. See these 3 holes? They'll have screws that'll hold them in place. The blower motor is down here under the glove box. To open the cover, we're going to use this trim tool. There are 4 tabs down here that hold it in place. These are what the tabs look like. Alright, I got the tabs all loose. It might help to know what the tabs look like from the inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're looking at the blower motor. To get out the screw, we're going to use some T25 Torx. That's this bit right here. I think I see one. Is that one? Okay, that's one right there. Because of that. Oh. There's 1, 2, and the third one's back here. I'm going to loosen all 3, and then I'm going to take them all out. Hold on, this one's a little hard to turn because it's way back here. Oh, how convenient. We're going to use this 8mm wrench to get the back because it's so hard to get. With the screws out, we lowered the blower down. Now we need to unplug this harness.
Okay.
This plug has a tab, but I'm not going to lie, it was pretty hard, so I had to ask my dad for some help. So this is our old motor. And we're going to replace it with this new one. I'm going to slide it back in there and line up these 3 holes. And of course, plug it back in. We did have to wiggle around the wires to get it to fit back. We switched to a socket for the back one because it made it a lot easier. We put the 3 screws back in and plugged it in. It's all back in, so we're going to put the cover back on. It's kind of like snapping Legos. It's time to test if it works.
My teeth are so cold.
Of course, the best way to test it is with a test drive. If you're going to take a test drive, you might as well go to Brahms and get a chocolate malt. See you on our next adventure.